Sometimes happens situations in life that triggers some deep emotion that make us react in a way so over exaggerated compared with what situation really is, and that take us to really feel that wow, this emotion maybe is ancestral, this even doesn't belong to me as an individual. Is I am sharing this collectively, and those emotions are wanting to be expressed through your body to keep flowing with the energy. When we try to not feel those, it creates blockages in our flow of energy in our bodies, and rigidness, and situations that are kind of not in our vision, not in our desire, reflecting this part of us that wants to avoid some kind of feelings. So when we really dive in the feeling, we really flow with the energy, and it takes courage. We have those patterns of want to be in the positive emotions, create situations to feel all the time in the positive emotions. And it's as simple as allow that emotion that is wanting to be expressed, giving the space to it. And sometimes can be very sad. This is the sad emotion that wants to be expressed. And it appears that we are going to be there years and years when we are there. As long as we don't try to avoid and we really let the emotion happen through our bodies, it will be not so bad feeling as when we try to resist it. The energy will flow if we do it, and we will change the state maybe soon. Every time it takes courage, but every time we do, we feel that this is the way. For some reason that maybe don't understand through the experience in our life that we need to experience these feelings, for some reason needs to be expressed through our bodies. And that's the key, allowing it, not resist it. And then you jump in a new vision, concept, paradigm of life. When you don't run away to any kind of feelings, you don't try to provoke some kind of positive situation all the time. You just